Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. My name is Shannon and this is my daily meditation practice that I'm posting out for you every single evening so that you have a way to start up a daily practice or reinforce one that you have and wrap up everything that's happened to you during the day so that you can have a relaxing evening. And today, I'm just going to focus on how do we meditate around the thoughts that come up in our mind. So, this is just a meditation practice on how to deal with your thinking mind while you meditate. And if you're new to the channel and new to the meditations, then the only things that you'll need are a comfortable seat. That could be on a cushion on the floor, a chair, or directly on the ground outside. And then you'll need a place with as few distractions as possible. And it doesn't matter if there are little noises in the background, but you should at least be separated from like really large noises and distractions. And it might be hard these days as we're quarantining in with each other, but stepping outside if you can and sitting outside in the ground is a really nice place to meditate. So if you've got your comfortable seat and your place to meditate, then let's get started. And I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And just coming into your present moment, into your body's experience by focusing on your breathing. And taking a moment to release what might be going on in your mind right now. What's happened during the day, thoughts about yesterday, plans for the future, trying to figure something out. Just let that drift away on the wind because it will still be there when you've finished your meditation. But this is time to give your brain a few minutes of rest. Just focus on your experience of breathing. As thoughts arise, as you notice that you're thinking, then just release it. Breathe it out on your exhale, but let it go. It's okay to have thoughts. The point of meditation is not to release or eliminate all thought, because that's pretty much impossible, but not to get carried away with those thoughts, to be able to recognize when we are somewhere else and to release it gently and come back to your present moment experience. Our mechanism for coming back to the present moment is our breath. And focusing on the physical experience of breathing right now. If you notice yourself daydreaming, lost in thought, then on your exhale, just breathe it away and release it. It'll be there later when you need it. Just breathe. Let your mind have a time of rest from all of its work. Our brains work so hard every day, even when we're trying to sleep. As thoughts arise, let them go. Let them sink back away. And try not to make it too forceful, like trying to keep your thoughts away, 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 away. Just relax your mind, and if something does happen to pop up, then let it go. always come back to your breathing. How does it feel to breathe right now? And even if thoughts about your breathing start to become more solid thoughts, then just let them go. And just watch your breathing. Just watch it. Just another minute of breathing, letting your mind relax. When you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today for this short meditation to wrap up your day. And, if you feel you need to, give yourself a little shake, roll those shoulders, and get all loosened up after your meditation. So, thank you so much for joining me today, and I'm wishing you a really nice evening, a peaceful sleep, and a wonderful day tomorrow. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again tomorrow.